TamilNadu government announces that it would issue an ordinance to conduct Jallikattu sport. Is it constitutionally valid to promulgate an ordinance? Why protests are emerging in TamilNadu with respect to Jallikattu? What is Jallikattu? What are the cultural values and thoughts of the past about Jallikattu? Where can we trace back the court's ban on Jallikattu? GS Paper 1, Indian Culture and Heritage from Ancient to Modern Times. Is it constitutionally valid to promulgate an ordinance? A verdict in Jallikattu case is due from the Supreme Court. The protests may be to the limitations of reform by an order without popular consent. It could be disrespect to the judiciary if an executive get involved at this stage. The ordinance should be issued in situations of pressing nature which required immediate action. But it is not at all warranted to issue an ordinance in these circumstances. Emotions cannot override the basic principle of the rule of law, otherwise leaders are at the mercy of people who just get emotions into it. Why protests are emerging in TamilNadu with respect to Jallikattu? On January 14 last year, the Supreme Court passed an interim order, banning Jallikattu citing cruelty to the animals. It is a traditional bull-taming sport practiced by agrarian communities in the central and south TamilNadu districts of Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Theni, Pudukkottai, and Dindigul. Since the festival is usually held in the second week of January to coincide with the harvest festival of Pongal, Jallikattu supporters approached the apex court again, seeking an urgent hearing, but the Supreme Court refused to entertain them. That set off stray protests in the state's Jallikattu belt. What is Jallikattu? Jallikattu is a bull-taming sport played in TamilNadu as a part of Pongal celebrations, Festival of Harvest. It is based on the concept of flight or fight. The term Jallikattu comes from the term klikuku, coins, and kattu, package, tied to the horns of bulls as the prize money. Later during the colonial period it assumed the present name Jallikattu. In the National Museum the seal from Indus Valley civilization depicting Jallikattu is preserved. What are the cultural value and thoughts of the past about Jallikattu? Iruthasu wall, embracing the bull, the precursor to Jallikattu, was common in the ancient TamilNadu among the pastoral community inhabiting Malai forest. Later it spread to other regions. Another reference to bull taming is found in a seal discovered at Mohenjo-daro, dated back to 2500 BC and 1800 BC. References to people enjoying fights between bulls as time pass are found in Malai Padukadam and to bull taming in Silapatikaram. Paintings of bullfight have been found in Kaluttamechupatti near Madurai, and Kurukshetra in the Nilgiris. Bull taming has different names before it metamorphed into Jallikattu, such as Irukal, Irathukattu, Kalayanathal. Bull taming was used as benchmark men's valor in ancient civilizations. In Tamil tradition, taming a bull was seen as guarantee for security of pride. Though bull taming has its origin in tribal regions, it follows defined set of rules. The sports was held inside a barricaded arena around which women were seated in galleries. The beginning and end were announced by tom-tom and injured were immediately taken away for treatment. Where can we trace back the court's ban on Jallikattu? Legal battles over Jallikattu have pit animal activists against bull owners since the early 1990s. The case first reached the Supreme Court after animal rights organizations, Animal Welfare Board of India, AWBI, and People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, PETA, decided to challenge a 2007 division bench judgment of the Madras High Court in favor of Jallikattu. In May 2014, the Supreme Court said that bulls cannot be allowed as performing animals, either for Jallikattu events or bullock cart races in the state of TamilNadu, Maharashtra or elsewhere in the country. In January 2016, the centre seeking to overturn the SC ban, modified its 2011 notification and issued a new one which said Jallikattu can be held in 2016.